This is the Milwaukee Powerzone, home of power tools and epicenter of everything Team Red. ITS Harlow branch is now home to one of the biggest Milwaukee displays in the UK. If there's something they've got, we're showcasing it here. From your M18 to your M12 to your pack-outs, accessories and more. This brand new Milwaukee experience will be available to the public from Wednesday the 6th of July, and to celebrate this, we are going to be hosting a Milwaukee Trade Day event. And on the day, we'll be having exclusive demos and deals on all the Milwaukee tools you need, as well as a spend more, get more, where if you spend £100 ink VAT, you'll get your hands on a 31-piece Milwaukee bit set. Or if you spend £200 plus the VAT, we'll chuck in a Milwaukee rolling tool bag. But the big one, if you spend £300 or more on Milwaukee tools, we'll chuck in a 5-amp battery. So if you're a Team Red fan, you are not going to want to miss this. Check out our Harlow branch on Wednesday the 6th of July between 8 AM to 4 PM for the launch of the Milwaukee Powerzone.